In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to start a huddle in Slack. A huddle is Slack's lightweight, audio-first way to jump into a quick conversation without scheduling a full meeting. It's perfect for fast decisions, quick check-ins, or clarifying a thread without typing a wall of text. Let's walk through it step by step so you can start your first huddle with confidence. Begin by opening your web browser and heading to your preferred search engine. In the search bar, type Slack and look for the official Slack website in the results. Click through to open it. If you're not already signed in, you'll be prompted to log into your workspace. That's normal. Just sign in the way you usually do. If you use multiple workspaces, make sure you're in the one where you want to start the huddle. Once Slack is open, go to the channel or direct message where you want the conversation to happen. Huddles are tied to whatever space you're viewing, so choose the spot where the right people will see and join. This could be a project channel, a team room, or even a one-on-one DM if it's just a quick chat with a colleague. With the channel open, take a look toward the top right of your Slack window. You'll see a Huddle label with a small drop-down icon next to it. Click that drop-down to reveal the Huddle controls. If you don't see it at first, make sure your Slack window is maximized and you're not zoomed in too far. UI elements can shift slightly depending on your layout and screen size. Now, click Start Huddle. Slack will connect your audio and show that a huddle is active in this channel. If it's your first time, your browser or app may ask for permission to access your microphone. Go ahead and allow it so others can hear you clearly. You'll see indicators that you're connected, and teammates in the same channel will be able to join with a single click. A few quick tips while you're in the huddle. Speak clearly and keep it focused, since huddles are designed to be short and efficient. If your audio seems quiet, check your input device in your system settings. And if background noise is an issue, a headset can make a big difference. That's all it takes. You opened Slack, navigated to the right place, used the huddle drop-down, and started the conversation. With this workflow, you can turn any discussion into a fast, real-time chat and keep work moving. Thanks for watching, and enjoy using huddles to streamline your day.